Facebook Live. In this video, we will explore the Facebook Live feature. Facebook Live is a live video streaming tool that allows users to broadcast video in real time on their company page or personal profile. Facebook Live video receives 3x higher engagement than a video that is no longer live. Its biggest advantage is that it can be used to showcase an event to people who couldn't be physically present by streaming it live for the audience. Once a FB Live session has begun, the live video will show up on the individual's or a page's timeline. Even after it has ended, the videos will be available on the timeline. Now, let's look at how we can go live. If you are on your page, on the top of the newsfeed here, you can see the option of creating a live video. It might ask you to approve access to your camera and microphone. Once you allow access, the webcam will start. But this does not mean that the live streaming has started. Let me put tape on the camera and take the process forward. Now, you can see that there are options that you can select to post your live broadcast. Here, I'm selecting the option to share it on a page. This is the page we have recently created. Now, say something about the live video. What is it all about? You can create polls or trivia questions to ask your audience during the live video using the Interactive tab. You can also share your screen with the audience. This can be useful if you want to share a PPT or any other media present on your device. I'm using a Chrome browser. It asks me to add an extension to allow Facebook screen sharing. You can click on Add to Chrome and add it to your browser. It will allow you to share your screen with the users during the live video. Add the title to the video and relevant tags that will help you to describe the video better. You can also share it in any group if you have joined any groups. To know more about Facebook groups, you can check out our video tutorial on Facebook groups. Click on Go Live. As you can see, it is really a quick and easy setup. The comments made can be seen at the top. This is the comment I have added. If a user watching it live is commenting, it will be shown in this section. Now, let me end this live video. You can respond to the user comments during the live video verbally, during the presentation, or choose to respond to them in the comment section by typing your response. The video will be made available in a short while on my timeline as well. So, this is the available live video. Any comments on the video will be available here below. You can respond to them later as well. Many businesses use Facebook Live for product launches or interview with experts or questions and answer sessions with the followers, or even for showing them a sneak peek into how their business runs. Now, you know how to go live on Facebook. Go ahead and create a live video for yourself. This video is created by Team Sales Panda. Sales Panda is an advanced marketing automation platform for channel partners, delivering efficient and easy-to-use channel marketing solutions for resellers, distributors, partners, agents, and dealers. Sales Panda platform has made wide-scale applications in various industry verticals, including mutual fund and financial services, insurance, real estate, information technology, etc. Sales Panda is an easy-to-use, hassle-free and scalable SaaS-based platform designed to help brands and their channel partners optimize their digital reach in no time. For more such videos about digital marketing, subscribe to our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get instant notifications when we upload a new video.